If you need to make more money, I have a simple solution. It's a way you can make more money faster and easier. In fact, you can start making money later today. Your previous experience does not matter. Anyone can do what I'm going to share. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, and I help people just like you make more money. I've been making money online almost since the beginning of the internet. I've done it full time for over 20 years now. And before we get going, can you do me a big favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and also hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And then lastly, in the comments section, please let me know how you got value out of this video. So what I want to share sure beats going out and getting a second job. It is my #1 recommended income stream. I built this business myself for several years. It's a simple online opportunity that takes minimal time, just a few hours per week. And because it's all online, you can put that time in whenever it's convenient for you, even if it's 3 in the morning. And you can do it from anywhere you have internet. I even do it while I'm out sailing. There are no phone calls to make, no bugging friends. It is not one of those MLM things. It's an affiliate marketing opportunity. That just means you sell someone else's products and get paid. You will have your own marketing system, complete with landing pages. You may have also heard them called lead capture pages. You'll also have sales pages and emails to send out on autopilot. You do not have to create anything. It's all done for you. We teach you free marketing strategies to get traffic to your website. The system takes it from there. This is ideal for busy people. We earn big commissions. You can get paid every Thursday by direct deposit. There are no long commission holds. There's no waiting for a check in the mail. And you can earn passive or long-term recurring income too. That's money that can come in month after month for the sales that you make each day. We will teach you everything you need to know. We have excellent training. We do live Zoom calls daily. We have an extensive training website with dozens of how-to videos, and we have a great Facebook group where we share ideas with each other and answer questions. On top of that, I will be your personal mentor and coach. I will share everything that's working so well for our team and how it can do the same for you too. Making more money is so much easier when you have someone to show you the way. Imagine what it will be like when that someone is me, an industry leader with decades of experience. I will be here to help you every step of the way. I will show you how you can create a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes a day. If you need to make more money, this may be just what you've been looking for. To learn more and start making money today, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.